Hello and welcome to this flash presentation update on the EO College Education Initiative. My name is Robert Eckert and I'm the project coordinator for EO College. In this quick presentation, I'm going to tell you what is EO College, what are recent courses that we are developing, what are activities that we are planning for the rest of 2025. And also I want to inspire you a little bit with recent trends in EO e-learning activities. So first of all, what is EO College? In case you don't know yet, EO College is a learning platform that involves a learning management system where we host online courses, online open educational resources, and other activities for people to learn about Earth observation. Use this QR code or this link to visit our page, get a free account, and take the courses as you like. Next, I want to give you some insights on recent online courses that we have developed in the past. First of all, we just finished working on a large-scale online course series called Towards Zero Hunger, where we are dealing in several online courses. So this is an entire series of courses with several topics related to the Sustainable Development Goal 2, Zero Hunger. A very comprehensive program, and we are very happy to have this program on our platform. Under the link shown here on the page, you can visit the landing page, and then from there you can access all the courses. All of them are free of charge and can be very helpful in many scenarios. Next, in collaboration with the Technical University of Munich, we developed an online course which is called Introduction to Machine Learning for Earth Observation. So a very hot topic that has been very popular and will be even more popular in the future. And we developed a small course giving an overview of this topic to get a start in this field of machine learning for Earth observation. Just recently, we published a course on the SAOCOM satellite, an L-band system, a SAR system from Argentina, from the Argentinian space agency CONAE. And this course gives an overview of what L-band SAR is capable of doing, what are the technical specifications of SAOCOM, and what are potential application fields. Next, I would like to highlight some activities that we are planning to complete or to work on in 2025. So first off, just recently we published a call to action calling in educators from around the world who are working on the role of Earth observation in mapping and forecasting natural hazards, so from volcanoes, floods, droughts, and so on. And the premise here is that there are a lot of educational material already available on this topic, and our job now is to compile this material, give an overview, produce new content if we find any gaps, and most importantly, bring together the community of people that work on those topics in the field of EO education and help them to connect and to give more visibility to their materials. The next activity that we are just starting to work on right now that I also would like to highlight here is the so-called ESA Training Academy. As you might know, ESA is from time to time conducting face-to-face trainings. ESA is also giving out grants for a lot of online courses. And yeah, so far those two things were a separate thing, but we are very happy to be part of this consortium, which is now dealing with bringing together those two worlds. So the ESA Training Academy will be hosted on the EO College in the future, and we are very, very much looking forward to seamlessly integrate face-to-face trainings with online courses and make maybe one the prerequisite for the other or the other way around, and therefore creating seamless learning experiences for ESA activities. And as a last bullet point, I want to quickly talk about recent trends in EO e-learning, capacity building, and such activities in terms of technology. And really, there's only one thing that I want to mention here, which is the power of large language models. Probably most of you by now experienced large language models, did some experiments, and maybe you are working with large language models in your daily life, compiling texts, summarizing text and stuff like this. But this technology is much more than that, much more powerful. So from transforming one type of media into the other, I'm talking like transforming text into videos, transforming text into audio, transforming audio into video and video into text and stuff like this, or the building of AI-powered chatbots that can serve as a knowledge base, as an assistant, as an helper, Those are just a couple of things that will be more and more accessible in the future and that are a huge trend right now in this field. Currently, we are working on tools to transform one media type into the other, also based on automations. Automations is another big trend that goes hand in hand with the rise of large language models and AI agents. So automating all those steps for large scale educational material is going to be very, very important. Therefore, large language models and automation tools, they will go hand in hand in the future. For exactly those purposes, we started a company called Ignite Education, where we're dealing with not only concepting and developing e-learning and capacity building materials, but also we are now specialized in the building of LLM tools, workflows, automations, chatbots, media transformers, and so on. So if this is of any interest to you, feel free to reach out to me. I hope this brief overview and quick update was inspiring to you. If you have any questions, drop me an email, and I hope we can work on those interesting projects again together in the future.